everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Welcome to this episode of The Best Place to Buy Furniture on a Budget in the UAE. It's no secret that furnishing a home in the UAE can be a costly affair. But there are many affordable options available if you know where to look. In this episode, I'll show you some of the best places to buy furniture on a budget in the UAE. We know that furniture shopping can be daunting, especially if you are on a tight budget. But don't worry, with the proper knowledge, you can find great furniture at the right price. Furniture shopping on a budget in the UAE. 1. We will begin our tour at one of the most popular spots for furniture shopping in the UAE, Dubai Outlet Mall. This outlet mall is great for discounted furniture from top brands. The mall has over 60 stores, which offer a wide variety of furniture pieces at discounted prices. Whether you are looking for a new sofa, dining table, or bedroom set, you are sure to find something that fits your budget here. 2. Next, we will take you to the Ain Mall. This mall is an excellent option if you want more traditional and local furniture. They offer a wide range of furniture pieces crafted from natural materials such as teak, mahogany, and cedar. These pieces are perfect for creating a homey and comfortable atmosphere. 3. We will also take you to the Times Square Center, located in the heart of Dubai. This mall is well known for its modern furniture pieces. From chic sofas and desks to stylish bookcases and TV stands, you can find something to suit your style and budget here. 4. We will take you to the IKEA store in Dubai. IKEA is well known for its affordable furniture pieces that are perfect for people on a budget. Not only do they have a wide range of furniture pieces, but they also offer up to 50% off certain items. 5. The Home Center is one of the largest chains in the country and offers a wide range of furniture for all types of budgets. They offer a variety of styles and designs, as well as discounts and deals. 6. Next, let's take a look at some of the online stores for furniture shopping in the UAE. Several online stores offer furniture at discounted prices, such as Fixing Expert, Design Furniture, and Fixit Design. These stores offer a variety of styles and designs, and they also provide delivery services. Additionally, they often offer discounts and deals. 7. Finally, let's look at some of the local stores in the UAE that offer furniture on a budget. Many small furniture stores in the UAE offer quality furniture at affordable prices. For example, you can find stores such as the Al Fahar Home and Garden Center, which offers a variety of furniture, from traditional to modern designs, at reasonable prices. Other local stores, such as the Al Adel Trading Company and the Al Manar Furniture Center, also offer quality furniture at discounted prices. We hope that this tour has given you an insight into the best places to buy furniture on a budget in the UAE. Conclusion. So, there you have it. These are some of the best places to buy furniture on a budget in the UAE. Whether you're looking for traditional, modern, or contemporary designs, plenty of affordable options are available in the UAE. Thank you for watching our video. We hope we were able to provide you with helpful information and tips on the best places to buy furniture on a budget in the UAE. Remember, you don't have to break the bank to buy your favorite furniture. With a bit of research and some savvy shopping, you can find great deals for your budget. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. Subscribe to our channel for more.